Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,888, the top floor ballroom. Acceptance above this is a breakout into uncharted bullish territory. Value area low, VAL, 6,878, the damp foreboding seller. A breach signals a collapse to deeper, more bearish foundations. Point of control, POC, 6,888, where the most ghostly activity, volume proxy, has been concentrated, suspiciously equal to the VAH, suggesting a strong rejection of lower prices and a buying concentration at the high end of the session. Support zone, 6,877 to 6,878, where the mansion's foundation seems strongest. Expect buyers to defend this level. Resistance zone, 6,888 to 6,889, the creaky attic door needs a forceful push to open. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower, 6,874 to 6,876, a trapdoor to the lowest levels. If price plunges here, expect acceleration to the session low. Upper, 6,890 to 6,892, the rooftop escape. If we climb past here, the market is truly floating, higher on momentum. Market context. The market's recent action is less a trend and more a series of phantom footsteps echoing through the halls. Price has been consolidating, raising value, but remaining trapped in a tight, chilling range. The most chilling part is the extreme tightness of Friday's session, December 7th, suggesting a coiled spring. 3-day seance, December 4th, POC 6868, VAL 6856, VAH 6870, a balanced session, like furniture neatly arranged in a forgotten room. December 5th, POC 6880, VAL 6877, VAH 6884, upward value shift but still balanced, as the ghosts decide to move their seance to a higher floor. December 7th, POC 6882, VAL 6881, VAH 6882, an incredibly tight range, just 1 point of value, like a door sealed shut, suggesting extreme pre-move compression. Today's profile, December 8th, is developing with a POC equal to VAH at 6888, signaling a strong auction high and a reluctance to trade much lower. This structure, along with the tight range from the previous day, sets the stage for a dramatic breakout or a swift move back through the range. Our session high is 6,894, and session low is 6,873. This is the current extent of the mansion's haunting. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume delta, CVD. Breakdown. The cumulative volume delta tracks the net aggression of ghosts, buyers, and ghouls, sellers. Session open, CVD, negative 3,381 contracts. Our day started with the ghouls taking control, a dark cloud rolling in. Intraday peak, buying, CVD, 1,748 contracts, a temporary exorcism by the buyers, pushing the net delta positive for a moment. Current CVD, negative 1,966 contracts. The ghouls have returned, though the situation has improved by 1,415 contracts from the open, indicating a strong rally from the low. Intraday low CVD, negative 3,381 contracts, the darkest moment of the session, equal to the open, showing the initial selling pressure was the most aggressive. Interpretation. Despite the seller's initial ambush, the buying aggression has been sufficient to recover almost all of the losses, giving us a CVD change of 1,415. Positive. For the price to sustain its position near VAH, the buyers need to keep this energy, or the market will quickly feel the gravitational pull of the negative CVD back toward POC. Risk management considerations. Do not let your stops become the market's next victims. Long trades. Entry zone. On a pullback to POC/VAH 6888 or a retest of VAL 6878. Stop loss. Set below the lower escape zone at approximately 6,873 below session low, or use a 10-point stop, ATR proxy, below entry. Profit target. Initial target at the upper escape zone, 6,890 to 6,892, then 6,895 plus for session high breakout. Short trades. Entry zone. On rejection of the upper escape zone, 6,890 to 6,892, or a break below VAL, 6,878. Stop loss. Above 6,895. Above session high, or ATR proxy above entry. Profit target. Initial target at VAL, 6,878. Major target at the session low, 6,873. Position sizing. Risk no more than 1 to 2% of capital per trade. Ensure stop distance is proportional to the target. Avoid entering inside the tight VAL to VAH range unless near the edges, as the ghosts are most active there. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Breakout and acceptance. The price breaks the upper resistance and accepts trading above the upper escape zone at 6,892. Setup. Enter long above 6,892 with stop placed below 6,888 VAH/POC. Target new highs, aiming for 6,900. Scenario B. Rejection at resistance. The price is turned away from the 6,888 to 6,892 zone, confirming the area as a ceiling. Setup. Short on the first failure off 6,890. Stop above 6,893, target VAL. Then the lower escape zone, 6,874. Scenario C. Failure at VAL. The floor gives way, with price dropping below VAL at 6,878. Setup. Short a break below 6,877. Stop above 6,880. Recent swing high near POC. Target session low, 6,873. And beyond. Scenario D. Value bounce. The price dips into the VAL or support zone, 6,877 to 6,878. And finds responsive buyers. Setup. Long at 6,878. Stop at 6,873. Target POC, then VAH. This is the classic reversal of the haunt. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.